The sound of a keyboard is quite annoying unless you can customize it yourself. So this is Mech Vibes and it lets you change your sound from this to this. So this is how you download it. You just need to search Mech Vibes, click on the first link, it's literally right there. You just click download now and it should send you to this page. Now here you have to look for the latest one and click it.exe because you're on Windows. So now once you're through the installation process, you should get the app. You can select multiple sounds here for your keyboard and select one that you like. But that's not it. You can actually select more sounds and it takes you to their site where you can try some fun ones. For example, you can turn it into a or you can just do this every time you type. Well, there's also some or you can just go for well, that was it for this video. It was just a short video to show off this random app that I found. If you thought it was cool, like the video and I'll leave the link in the description. Bye bye.